Since 1936, Ryco has become Australia's iconic filter brand, with millions of filters supplied each year in one of the world's harshest environments. Ryco has proven it's got what it takes to keep you moving. Now, you may not know, those same proven and time-tested products are also available to suit the heavy commercial market. Ryco have an extensive range of filters to suit heavy commercial engines, including Cat, Cummins, Detroit, Mack and Volvo, operating in both the on and off highway markets. In fact, Ryco has 90% coverage in the North American and 85% coverage in the European truck market. The range has been growing for the best part of a decade and is not only cost effective, but Ryco is a true alternative to both Donaldson and Fleetguard. Ryco's extensive range ensures we have you covered, from refrigeration transport, line haul, passenger transport to quarrying and mining. Supporting all the major truck brands from Europe and North America, the range is comprehensive across all categories, including individual oil, air, fuel, cabin, coolant, urea, power steering and even transmission filters. The range includes popular single part number lubricant service kits. Now, Ryco has a family of filters to service and maintain your commercial trucks. The Ryco team know what it's like in a busy truck service centre. Ryco heavy commercial service kits have all wet filters required to complete a standard service at your designated interval. Air and cabin filters are also available for major service requirements. Each kit is boxed and clearly labelled, streamlining your inventory, simplifying your stock orders, and ensuring you have everything you need in the one box under the one part number. The label also includes an interchange reference table with OEM part numbers. At a glance, you can confirm the filter you're pulling out is interchangeable with the supplied Ryco service kit items. While range and coverage are key factors, with Ryco filters, you also get the confidence from 80 years of experience and quality manufacturing. All Ryco filters are designed to meet or exceed OE specifications, ensuring the continuation of your factory OE standard warranty. We back that promise, having one of the only dedicated filtration labs based here in Melbourne. We test the Ryco product against the OE to validate our claims, and this is guaranteed. Our team of engineers ensure each product meets the required specification across the key measures of efficiency, life and flow. The local engineering team often find opportunities to not only meet but exceed OEM design. On two extremely popular air filters that suit both Kenworth and Mack application, our engineers increase the seal height to ensure optimal clamp load on the end cap. This is a critical component to the air filter, and a poorly sealed cap could easily lead to a dusted engine. The extensive range of Ryco filters and heavy commercial service kits are available from your local Ryco stockist. Our dedicated commercial sales team can review your workshop needs and your fleet requirements, provide technical information, and assist in quoting through our distribution channels. Reach out to our customer service team and consider Ryco filters for your commercial truck fleet. Thanks for watching.